Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance in UAE. First, it's crucial to understand the local cryptocurrency regulations. Next, choose a reputable and licensed exchange that operates legally within the region. Finally, you'll need to complete the necessary identity verification process, often referred to as KYC, to ensure compliance and security for your account. Once your account is set up, the next step is funding it. You can typically link your bank account directly or use a debit or credit card for deposits. Many platforms also offer alternative payment methods, such as bank transfers or even peer-to-peer options. Always be mindful of any transaction fees, which might range from 1% to 3%, depending on your chosen method. With funds in your account, you're ready to make a purchase. Head to the trading section of your chosen platform. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Simply enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and then confirm your transaction. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Finally, security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account for an extra layer of protection. For larger holdings or long-term storage, consider transferring your assets to a secure hardware wallet. Staying informed about the latest security practices will help you protect your investments effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.